प्रीति जिंटा और नेस वाडिया का केस अब एक पब्लिक मेस बन चुका है और इस मेस के बारे में पब्लिक क्या सोचती है, हमारी आम जनता क्या सोचती है, आइए देखते हैं। There's this case which Preeti Zinta has filed against Nes Wadia. You've read about it?
Yeah.
What do you think? What's really happened, and what is your opinion about it?
See, what I very strongly believe in is that there should be scrutiny about this matter as to what exactly Preeti is saying. If Preeti is saying that if something wrong has happened to her, then a team should be formed and the government should take it very seriously, because if Bollywood actress like Preeti Zinta, if she is commenting that somebody is harassing her, then think about girls who come from very middle class, and what will happen to them. So I very strongly believe in it. I believe in that government should take this very strongly, and if they think that Nes has done something wrong, then strong action should be taken against him. If Preeti is wrong, then again government should come very strongly to her as well, that because she is an icon, people look girls look to her. So in case if again she is wrong, then again a strong message should come from the government or the right people.
Wow.
You've been reading about the Nes Wadia Preeti Zinta case. According to you, according to an audience who's watching the whole news, what is your opinion about the whole case?
I think it's Preeti's fault totally.
Okay.
Because I think it's like a relationship gone bad, and it's like she's treating him bad now. Okay, it's like a revenge thing.
Okay, one more thing I just want to know, that there are many Bollywood celebrities who came out, during the weekend and also supported her, but then there was Salman Khan. I don't know if you saw or no.
Yeah, that was awesome. That was the best reaction.
Didn't you think that he was mocking her? It was such a, she's filed a case, whatever the result may be, but she filed a case.
Right.
And normally we all talk about, different rapes and whatever happens to women in India, they react. But then when it was about her friend, his friend, so he reacted in such a way. It was almost
Probably
like mocking at the...
both were his friends, so he didn't want to get into that. And probably even he think that Preeti was wrong, so he didn't want to comment.
I guess she might be doing it for TRP or something.
Okay.
I guess it's fake.
I guess there might be something wrong between them, and she might be wanting to take some sort of revenge, or she might be wanting his status to go a bit down.
Okay.
So something like that.
Maybe that's why she's...
Yeah.
It can also be like she just wanted to make her revenge, and she would think like, no, that guy has done something to me, so I need to do it right now. So she was like, she had a thing that she needs to file a case against it.